Okay, we are going to show you how to install a replacement cross member on your Yeats Dolly. Here at Yeats, we use a chisel gun to remove old rivets, but I'm assuming most of you at home do not have one of those. So we're going to show you how to do it using a drill. What you want to do is drill out the existing rivets on the old cross member that's broken, and you want to use a center punch to kind of give you a starting point on the rivet heads, because they are round and the drill will kind of slip off. If you do not have a center punch, try using a Phillips head screwdriver, just something to mark the center of the rivets to make it easier to drill out. As far as the size drill you are using, the bolts that come with the cross member are going to be 1/4 inch bolts. Again, you can use a Phillips head screwdriver to kind of tap out those existing rivets. And for those of you who have older model dollies that have a total of 8 rivets on each cross member, including ones on the front, the new cross members do not come with those. So basically you're not going to put anything in the front of the side rail. You're just going to use the 1/4 inch bolts on the side. Go ahead and do the other side. And those center punch holes in there. Easy. You're going to get your new cross member. You want to loosen up that top spacer bolt. Give your frame a little bit of leeway to squeeze that cross member in. Again, if you have the older models of Dolly, you're going to have to drill out those existing holes and make them larger for the 1/4 inch bolts to go through. So make sure you just line them up. Use the bolts and nuts that are provided. Just go ahead and tighten those up, and do not over tighten. Just get them nice and snug. When you over tighten something, you have the risk of snapping that bolt off. Once you're done tightening these up, do not forget to re-tighten that top spacer and spacer bolt, and you are good to go. All set.